Hello everyone, so today we're going to share with you on how to grow cilantro at home from seed to harvest, so let's get started. Cilantro is an amazing leafy herbs with citrusy, strong aromatic scent and taste, and this is really super easy to grow. You can sow them from spring, summer and fall, and you want to plant them in a well-drained and moist soil. It like full sun and shade area. I'll recommend to mulch them, especially in the summertime. Cilantro, also known as coriander when they become seed, they are very well known for their beautiful, edible, flat flowers that is super beneficial for your garden. From my experience, it really attracts pollinators like ladybugs and helpful predatory insects that will also help your other plants, fruits, or flowers. I recommend it if you have a small space garden because they don't require a lot of space to grow. You can plant them for different purposes, and since they're very easy to grow, you can plant them repeatedly for abundant and steady supply. You could also plant them in containers and pots or in ground. Cilantro can be an amazing alternative to some big flowers that requires a lot of maintenance, and this is very easy to grow since I have not encountered any pest regarding the planting this plant, so really they are really stress-free plant, and you can plant them along or use it as a companion plant for your leafy greens and other herbs like basil, chives, or parsley. Usually, you can plant cilantro um, nearby tomatoes, Swiss chards, garlic, or onions. For watering, it is very important for cilantro plants to have enough water so they will continuously produce these beautiful leaves, because if you don't water it often, it will eventually start seed very fast. For fertilizer, I just use regular balanced fertilizer or nitrogen for the leafy greens, or you can plant them along with beans. And it is really very easy to grow. For harvesting, you can regularly harvest them once they start to look bushier to stimulate the plant and produce more leaves. Have you grown cilantro before? Please comment down below, guys. I would love to hear from you. What is your favorite leafy herbs to grow in your garden? So these are some of the flowers that are really very edible, and it is amazing addition if you want to try something new. Want to try some incorporated. You can harvest a cilantro in the morning, and that's the best time because that's the time they will have the highest water content, and you can garnish them into salsa, salad, or even toppings for your pasta, or even use it for pesto. So there, guys, that's how to grow cilantro at home from seed to harvest. Hope you enjoyed this videos, and if you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you guys, or watch the next video after this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.